my dear students of class 4, welcome to maths class once again. In my previous class, I have completed chapter number 2, and what was the name of the chapter? Addition and subtraction. Today I am going to teach you the new chapter, multiplication. Okay, this chapter is also very interesting. We are going to learn about multiplication, the different ways of multiplication by one, the multiplication by one number, two numbers, okay, three numbers, okay. So this chapter is going to be more interesting. Okay, you are going to learn more about multiplication. Okay, so now let's start. Before starting, the exercises are there like 3.1, 3.2 and all. There is, let's recap. Okay, first we will recap, okay, what we have done in class 3, okay, in the lower class. Then we will start exercise 3.1, 3.2 and all. Okay, so first we will do let's recap, okay, then we will start the exercise. So let's start, let's recap. Okay, we will do let's recap. Okay, we are going to do let's recap. Okay, before starting, question number 1. Okay, like in addition I said about odd-end, add-end, sum. In subtraction also I said you about minuend, subtrahend, difference. Okay, same way in multiplication also, what do we call? Okay, now see here. When we are multiplying 5 into 2 is equals to 5 to the 10. Okay, or we can write in a column form also like this, 2 5 ja 10. Okay, this way also we can write, or this way also we can write. This is the column form. Okay, so what do we call this, what do we call this, and what do we call this? So to this what we call multiplicand. Okay, and what do we call this? To this we call multiplier. Okay, and what do we call the result we get after multiplying? Multiplicand and multiplier. The result we get, we call this product. What do we call? We call it product. What do we call? We call it product. Okay, we call this product. Okay, so see here, this one is called multiplicand. Okay, this one is called multiplier, and the result we get is called product. Okay, this one is in column form. This one is called multiplicand, this one is called multiplier, and this one is called product. Okay, now let's start with let's recap question number 1. Okay, now what is question number 1? Question number 1 is fill in the boxes. Okay, now see here question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is to fill the boxes. Okay, now we are going to fill these boxes. Okay, here they are taught two methods. Okay, one by addition and one by multiplication. So which one you will feel easy? Okay, after doing, okay, you will say which one you feel easy. Okay, now see number 8. Okay, here you can see 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to how? That means what you have to do? We have to add. Okay, there is two methods. One they are given long cut one they are given shortcut one. Okay, now long cut one is long cut only. Now see how to add. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, now in 8 how much we will add? We will add 4. So how much it will be? 12. Okay, so 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, now we got 12. Now we have to add 4 to that 12. Okay, so 12 plus 4 will be how much? It will be 16. Okay, now 16 plus 4 is how much? 20. 16 plus 4 is how much? 20. Now see here once more. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Okay, now in this 8 we have to add this 4. Okay, so how much will become? 12. Okay, now again we have to add 4. So it will become 16. So again we have to add 4. It will become 20. At last how much we got? We got 20. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so that you don't forget or you don't get confused, that is why I have written on top. Okay, 4 plus 4 8. Okay, 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 4 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 16 plus 4 is how much? 20. So what is the answer? 20. So after adding this, how much we got? 20. Now there is shortcut method also. Okay, without adding we can get 20. Now how? See here. This is 4. Okay. Okay, this is 4. So that is why it is written 4. Okay. And now how much 4 is there? Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is there? 5 fours. So what we write here? 5. Okay. 4 is same, that is why here 4 is there. Okay. And how many 4s are there? 5. Now see here. 5 4s are 20. Now can you see the answer? Both the answers are same. Okay, both the answers are same. This we got by adding this all 4. Okay, and this we got by multiplying. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So this was easy. Multiplication was easy. Then this addition. This was shortcut. Okay. Now let's do this one, number B. Okay. Now see here. 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. Okay. If you want, you can write here so that you don't forget the counting. Okay. 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay. 16 plus 8 will be how much? 16 plus 8 is 24. Okay. 16 plus 8 is 24. Now 24 plus 8. Okay, you can add on your finger also, like 24 is there. Okay, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. You can do the counting on your hand also. Okay, every time you take 8 fingers out and you count it. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. Okay, now 32 plus 8 is how much? 40. Okay, and 40 plus 8 is how much? 48. So main answer is how much? 48. So by adding this 8, okay, so how much we got? 48. Now let's do the shortcut one. See, this is all are 8. That is why 8 is written. These are common. Can you see? 8 is same. That is why they have taken one common. Okay. Now see here. How many 8s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is there? 6. So we write here 6. Now let's multiply 6 into 8. 6 8 is 48. So we got the same answer. Okay, and we have filled the boxes. We have filled the boxes easily. First you have to add this. You will write here. After that you will count how many 4 is there. You will write here. Okay, then how many times it is repeated and what is repeated here. You will write here 5 4 that 20. Same way here also add 8. How much you got? 48. And how many 8s are there? 6. So 6 8 are 48. Okay. So this was question number 1. Okay. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the boxes. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the boxes. Okay. Now here also we are going to fill the boxes. Okay. But here we have to multiply. Okay. So before multiplying, I want to say you that you should learn table. Okay. You should learn table. Table is very much important for multiplication. Okay. You should learn table. If you don't know table, then you cannot do multiplication easily. Okay. It will be difficult for you. And if you know the table, it will be very easy for you to multiply. Okay. So now let's start. Okay. To question number 2a. 7 into 5 is equals to how much? 7 5s. Okay, there are 7 5s. That means we will read 7 table 5 times. Okay. Now let's start. Table of 7. Okay. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. So 7 5s are how much? 7 5s are 35. Okay, done. Now see, okay, 9 4s are, okay, 9 into 4, that means you have to read 9 table 4 times. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, to read the table of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36. Okay, done this one also, done that one also. Now let's do E. 11 into 5 is equals to how much? And with 11 5, we have to read the table of 11, and table of 11 is so easy. Table of 10 is also so easy. So let's read the table of 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55. Okay, so 11 5s are 55. Okay, so you have seen how easily I have filled these boxes. Why it was easy for me to fill these boxes? Because I know the table. Okay, so you should also know the table. Those who know, very good. Okay, you should learn further 13 table, 14, 15, 16. Okay, you should learn that table. And those who don't know the table, okay, what you will do? You will read it again. Okay, then only it will become easy for you. Multiplication means you should know the table. Table is very much important for multiplication. Okay, so you have to also learn table. If you will learn table, so it will become easy for you to also fill these boxes. Okay, so you should also learn table. Okay, now let's see question number 3. Now let's see what is question number 3. Question number 3 is multiply on the numbered line. Okay, now see it. We know how to multiply like this. Now 3 into 4 is equals to how much? 12. Okay, we know 3 4s are 12. But we are going to multiply this on number line. What is this? This is number line. Okay, I mark from 0 to 15. Okay, from 0 to 15. You can mark more. Okay, but here I need only up to 3 4s are 12. Okay, I know that 3 4s are 12. But I will show you how to do a number line. Okay, on number line also we can multiply and get the answer easily. Okay, now how to do? See, 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means what? We will take 3 jumps. We will take 4 jumps. We will take 3 distance or 4 distance. Okay, so what we have to do is 3 into 4. That means this one is multiplicand, this one is multiplier, and the answer which you will get is the product. Okay, now what is this? 3 into 4. That means you will take 3 jumps. How much jumps you will take? 3 jumps. Whatever the multiplicand will be there, you will take that much jump. Okay, and what will be here? You will take that distance. Okay, so here 4 is there. That means you will take 4 distance. And jumps, how many you will take? 3 jumps. 3 into 4 means 3 jumps. Okay, and distance will be how much there? 4. Okay, 3 jumps, 4 distance you will take each time. Okay, so how much jumps I said? 3 jumps. Okay, now let's start from 0. You will start. Okay, and distance how much I said? 4. No, that means 1 2 3. So that means you have to come up to this much, from 0 to this. Okay, so we got, so this is 1 jump. Okay, now again count 4. 1 from this. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so again up to this much we have to come. Okay, that means we have taken second jump also. Now we have to take one more jump. Okay, 3 jumps. No, 3 jumps. Okay, now from here again come 1 2 3 4. So see it. We have taken 3 jumps. 1 2 3. 3 jumps. Okay, and what are the distance? 4 4 4. And at last what we have got? 12. How much we have got? 12. Okay, 3 jumps into 4 distance. We have taken 4 distance now. So 3 4s are at last we are, at last what we have to, so at last what we have got? 12. So what will be the answer? The answer 12. So we know 3 4s are 12. So we have got the correct answer. We have got correct answer. So what you will do? This one you will take the jumps. The multiplicand what is given, you will take that much jumps. Okay, whatever the multiplier will be there, you will take that much distance. Okay, one more question is the B. You will do by yourself. Okay, you will try by yourself whether you have understood or not. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, now let's do question number 4. Now let's see what is question number 4. Question number 4 is find the product. Okay, now see it. I have already written the question. We have to find here the product. Okay, the product means the result you have to find after multiplying this multiplicand. Okay, and this multiplier, what the answer we will get? We will get product. Okay, now let's multiply. Now how to multiply? Okay, this is the multiplication. Okay, by one number is there, no 3. Now how to multiply? First what you will do? You will multiply this 3 with 1. Okay, this way. Okay, first you will multiply this with this. 3 1s are 3. Okay, you have to read 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Then again you have to multiply this way. Okay, first this way, then this way. Okay, now 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. Okay, done. Now number D. 4 2s are how much? 4 2s are 8. After multiplying this, you will multiply with this. Again 4 2s are 8. Okay, done. Now see here, number E. This was 2 number 1, 2. Okay, 2 digit number multiplying with 1 digit number. Here 3 digit number is their multiplicand. Okay, and multiplier is 1 digit number. Okay. Now how to multiply? Let's see. It is also easy. First you will multiply 4 to the 8. 4 zeros are any number multiplied by 0 will be how much? 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is how much? 0. Okay. So 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. Okay. So done. Now number G. Okay. 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. 3 3 the 9. Okay. So this multiplication was very easy. Okay. It was without carrying and all. Okay. So this was easy. Okay. For multiplication we have seen now we have to know the table. Okay. So those who don't know, I have already said you will learn the table. Okay. Now let's see the last question of this. Let's recap question number 5. Question number 5 is multiply. So now see the last question of let's recap. Okay, there were 4 questions. I have taken question number A and D. Okay, now here we are going to do the carrying one. Okay, before this we have done no carrying, nothing was there. Here carrying is there. Okay, now see how this is rupees symbol, you know already. Okay, so we have to multiply 35 into 2. Okay, we have to multiply 35 into 2. Now let's start 2 5. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to read 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. And 10 is 2 digit number. So what you will do? You write here 0. Okay, and 1 you will read carry. You have done in addition now. But this is multiplication. Here also if 2 digit will come, what you will do? You will, if 2 digits come, what you will do? You will get carry. Okay. Now 2 3 ja. 2 3 ja how much? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. And 6 plus 1 is how much? 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. So if we multiply 35 by 2, so what will be the answer? 70. What is the answer? 70. So if we multiply rupees 35, this one is rupees 35 into 2. So what is the answer? 70. Rupees 70. We will put the symbol in front because this one is rupees. Okay, so we will put the symbol. Okay, of rupees. This means that this is rupees 70. Okay. Now let's do number D. Okay, here we have to multiply 25 into 5. Okay. Now see here, we have to read 5 table. We have to read 5 table 5 times. Okay. 5 ja. So let's read 5 table. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 5 3 ja 15. 5 4 ja 20. 5 5 ja 25. 5 5 ja 25. So 25 is also 2 digit numbers. So what you will do? You will write here 5 and 2 you will give carry. Okay. Now see here. 5 2 ja. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. We have to add this 2 also there. So 10 plus 2 is how much? 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. So let's write here 12. So 25 into 5 is how much? 125. That means rupees 125. Okay, 25 into 5 is how much? 125 and it is rupees. Okay, so we will put the symbol in front. So rupees 125. Okay, so with this I have completed. Let's recap of chapter number 3. Okay, so in my next class I will teach you exercise 3.1. Okay, so what you will do, you know, you will copy this all in your copy as classwork and separately you will do the homework by yourself, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so for today up to this much. You have understood now? You have to do this all in your copy. Okay, thank you.